Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Firstly, let's select Loyalty and select card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save and your card is here. Now let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop, for example Decathlon Group Poland, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. Then we've got public transport. So if you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.